the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed it'd come along? Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe there never was, but now I look at the night and it don't seem so lonely. We fit it up with only two. And when I heard hurting runs off my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you?